Hello, welcome back. In the previous videos, we have understood the importance of various container types. Now, let's know the general purpose of a program by stepping into operators. As operators are the constructs that can manipulate operands values. It's not new as we have already learned about them in our childhood. But let's add some unique Python operators and work with them. It's interesting, right? So let's get started. So we have seen how to store input in the format of containers, where we have seen the different methods of lists, tuples, sets, strings, and clearly we have understood the difference between sets and dictionaries, because you use the same curly braces, but in dictionaries you have understood how to store in the format of keys and values. Now let's extend that concept and let's understand the general purpose of a program is generally to accept the data, right? We have seen how to store input, right, whether it is a single number, whether it can be a text or numbers, and how it can be stored in the format of groups. Now let's extend that thing to understand the concept of operators, because operators play a very key role. We have already studied about them, because generally when I say operator, it is a symbol actually, whether it is plus, minus, star, which you have already known about them. But the general definition of operators is basically they are the constructs that manipulate the values of operands. If you can clearly see here, you see they are used to perform operations on operands, whether it can be some values or anything. If you see this example here, number 1 and number 2 are called as operands. You already know this plus is basically addition, which it performs some addition. So generally we divide operators in Python into actually 7 types, where I have given only 6 names here, because basically the 7th type is not mainly included, but I will be discussing that thing also, which is nothing but bitwise operators: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership. All of these 6 play very key role, because you will be including the same operators whether you want to build an application or anything. Whatever you try to make it into Python, it is helpful. So just let's make it simple. How do we use our Python ideally to explain the same thing? Because I always prefer only hands-on, right? So whatever theory we'll be discussing, we'll be generally making it into hands-on. So first let me save this file and just save it as operators, right? So basically operators are the constructs that manipulate the values of operands, right? Basically you can also say an operator is a symbol that performs. Let's write that first. An operator is a symbol that performs some operation, to generalize the definition so that anyone can easily understand. An operator is a symbol that generally performs some operation, where that symbol differs, right? That symbol could be plus, minus, star, division. We have some more things, right? Or operators are the constructs. When I say constructs, that you try to frame up the variables that manipulate. When I say manipulate, that means you try to manipulate the values of operands. It's very pretty much easier to say. When we use basically one variable, if the operator acts on a single variable, it is basically called as unary, right? Unary operator. If it is basically called as unary operator when we generally make sure an operator works on single variable, whether it is plus or minus, operator on a single variable. And if it is generally 2 variables, it is basically binary, and if it is 3 variables, it is ternary. So binary, ternary, unary operators. But basically we generally classify the operators depending on their nature. So depending on their nature, we generally classify them into 7 types, which I told you. The other type is, it includes bitwise. These are very widely used 7 types of operators in Python. Okay, starting with, we start our journey with arithmetic operators, then we'll understand about assignment operators, then we'll go for comparison or relational, then we'll understand the very important concept which are very unique only in Python, which are identity and membership, because first 3 anyone can easily understand: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, but identity and membership are solely available in Python only. Then we'll be shifting our focus on to logical and bitwise, because they play a very key role. So my part is to just make it very easy for you to understand. So let's make it very simple, because operators play a very key role when you wanted to perform some operation, whether it is on a single variable, it is called binary, two variables, single variable it is unary, two variables it is binary, three variables it is ternary. So that means we generally use the symbols whether to change the values of the operands. Okay, that's how these 7 operators will be used, and let's start our journey into it by understanding about each one of them in detail.